that I'm ready. Show them mobiles too. Show.
Flash flood warning across Jamaica. Hi, I'm DuttyBerry and welcome to a brand new countdown quickie where I give you a trending topic in a jiffy. There is a flash flood warning in effect for most of the island. Now, in a bulletin on Thursday afternoon, the Met Service said that the warning means that tropical storm conditions pose a possible threat to Jamaica within 48 hours. And people, when I tell you, if you have been anywhere in Kingston, you could have the country, you could have upon the hills, you are going to be met with a lot of rainy conditions. And so the video started to circulate on social media and it don't look good. Some people were seen like making light of the situation, playing games and just enjoying, frolicking and all of that. But in other videos, we can see that, you know, several citizens would have been inconvenienced by the weather. So anyway, enough of me just running off my mouth. I'm going to just share you some clips of what social media captured. So just watch, you know, enjoy and do the usual like, share, comment and subscribe.
Well, we are here at the McGregor Gully and it's flooding over and a car is stuck. Well, this is terrible. This is not good. No, sir. This is not good. The gully come over. This is not good at all. A car stuck into it in the water. This is not good at all. Oh my God. I don't mean standing see it.
Watch out now. One minute, we have a video. So we have a TV. We have a video. We have more food. We flood away black cloth out. TV. Flood out. We flood out.
Yeah, people. Yeah, man, people bust up over there, you know. Half a cheap flood of people watch a man that come through the window. Oh, see that? Place crazy. Whole half a cheap flood out. See there? A man that come through the window there. God. I can assign this. The road is a be water ice up. See it? Man jump through the window there. Jaja. Man can't swim, man. I be young people in the bus still over there, so.
Yo! Stand up, man! You can't cross it! Ow.
Few moments later.
Lord Jesus!
Barbican right now, Barbican flood out. Look at my card. My card done. Oh fuck. Yo, this don't look good. It's on the car, brother. Jaja, you. Sure.
And currently, Jamaica is getting destroyed at this moment. Right now, as you can see, we're at Casher Park on the banks right here. And as you can see, the rain is still falling. And the gun is coming down there. You see a big wave. The place broke out. I'm good to go. Yo, check the place broke out. Check it.
We on. Fuck school.
People, look on water.
Many waters, a river flowing like Elson.
Oh, this is 1 minute past 5. And this is Channel News, Datlin Channel News. See where I'm living? Water. You see down in the gully? Water.
I'm just going on with the channel news. You understand? Look, you see? Water. I tell you. Look at it.
Can't take no more. I'm just fed up. Just fed up of this life. You know, sometimes I say, better make give up and go just shock off in one sea and just end my life.
Nobody can cross it. It's only who understand it. Like a fisherman and a fisherwoman who can swim. Okay, if you cannot swim, trust me, you're going to St. Thomas.
This is the road to go to town. Portmore Toll, you know, look. We're on Portmore Toll, and this is the road to go to the wharf. This is the sea to go to the wharf. Watch there. Yeah, paddle boat settings. Watch there. You can't even see over the water.
That them Reggie, show them what bees do. Show fucking them, okay. That them Reggie, show them what bees do. Show fucking them, okay. Yo fucker, okay. Alright, little motherfucker.
So, if you're not strong, this water will wash you away. As you can see, there are people trying to come up.
POV, you just left your mom in Jamaica and she sent you this video.
Period. For the camera, can't believe what I'm going.
Well, and it starts raining now. We're supposed to have depression passing over Jamaica. That is going to be causing a lot.
Try the whole fucking yard wash out. Eh? The whole fucking yard wash out. Look at rainfall and the whole of the underwater. To bomb lad, could they? Eh? Could they? All over the gully. Like a fucking pool, could they? They bomb lad tax go up and then now clean the fucking drain them, could they? The whole of the fucking
Uptown this, you know?
Look what I'm going. You see that? This is where I'm going on a big pan. See how far the water there? Away the lock off? Away the bomb buck lad. Watch ya, he brought down in front of me to blood clot.
That them Reggie, show them what bees do. Show fuck, okay. Yo
Watch out people, watch out. All our station for that man. Alan, why this not look good? See.
No sir. What are you doing, Gary? What are you doing? You can't think and dirty, no. Watch it, everything blood out, doesn't it? It's blood. No, sir.